Alright, now it's your turn to try solving for systems graphically. On the screen you will see 12 different problems that look just like video number 1. What I want you to do is I want you to practice the first 5. You may want to do them on your own graph paper. It might be easier than trying to graph it like I was doing it. Or if you have a graphing calculator, that's even better. See if you can get the answers to the first 5, and then come back and we'll see if we get the answer. So go ahead and pause the video, try the first 5, and we'll be back in a minute. Alright, let's see how we did. Go ahead and back the screen out a little bit. And let's just start with, let's say number 2. X plus y equals 6. X minus y equals 0. So we've got to solve these real quick. Let's take the first one. Give myself some working room. Minus x. So y equals minus x plus 6. There's the first one. Second one was x minus y equals 0. So I've got to subtract x. That's gone. So minus y equals minus x plus 0. Divide by -1. We'll take that one out and that one out. So y equals x. There's my two formulas. And so I'm just going to graph both of these. I'll move them to the top real quick. Negative x plus 6 and y equals x. Now I can graph them back down here and see how I did. Alright, I'll go ahead and make a big graph. And again, you can get your own graph paper. I'm just doing it here by hand so that you have an idea of what's actually happening. And then you can do it on graph paper. You'll get a better drawing than I do, but you have the idea of what we're doing. In the first one right here, the 6, 0, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is where it's going to run into the y. And it has a -1 slope, so that is down 1, right 1. So down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. Okay, so you can see the line pretty easily right there. And then in this one, y equals x plus, really that's plus 0. So that means it hits at 0, 0. And so the slope of, that's a 1. So 1 over 1 is up 1, right 1. So it's up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. Oops, I see where it hits. Up 1, right 1. And I can draw this line. So at 1, 2, 3, up 3 is my solution. So 3, 3 is my solution. That's the spot. I didn't write that very well. I'll write it again so it looks nicer. At 3, 3, that spot is the solution for this problem. And that's how you work each of these. You just graph each one separately and see where they intersect. Okay, if you get stuck on any of these and you're not quite sure how to do them, you can check your work. Now, I'll give you a quick shortcut. 3, 3. If I take the first formula, y equals minus x plus 6, if I put 3, 3 in there, I get 3 and 3. This is -3 plus 6, 3 equals 3. It works for that formula. And you'll notice that I get the same answer on both sides. 6 minus 3 is 3, so 3 equals 3. I know I got that one right. If y equals x and 3, that's also right. So I know it works in the formula. So I can sort of check my work when I get my answer, plug it into the formulas, and it should equal, and so I got the answer. That's a way to check it if you'd like. But really seeing it on the graph is what we're looking for in these problems. You get stuck on some of these, check with someone, see if you can get a little help. Good luck with these. You're doing great so far. Keep it up.